Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Is Moka safe and secure to use? Moka, which is an automated savings and investing app, takes security very seriously. They use the same level of security measures as major Canadian banks. This includes 256-bit encryption and secure sockets layer, or SSL, connections to protect your information and data transmissions. They also have strict internal security policies based on international standards. This bank-level security ensures your personal and financial data is protected from unauthorized access. It's important to note that Moka is a legitimate and regulated financial services company. Its portfolio manager is overseen by Canadian securities regulators. Regarding the money you invest, client assets are held with regulated, independent custodians. Furthermore, funds held in registered accounts, like TFSAs and RRSPs, for Moka clients are typically insured up to a limit by the Canadian Investor Protection Fund, or CIPF. This provides a level of protection similar to what you'd find at a traditional bank for deposits. In short, Moka employs robust security measures to protect your information, and the funds in your registered investment accounts are generally protected by CIPF insurance against firm insolvency. However, remember that investing always carries inherent market risk, which is separate from the app's security against data breaches or fraud. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.